everyone. Today we're going to head down to Red Square for a little adventure, and ultimately we're going to try to find a unique hamburger place. If not, then the backup plan is McDonald's or Burger King. But we'll see what we find. Now, let's head on out. Me and my friend right here. I wonder if they're hungry too. And this is a gigantic Lego city, Moscow City. Hello everyone, I'm here at St. Basil's, and let's go take a look inside. So now I'm going to there's a park, and I guess they have this these soldiers with the eternal flag, kind of like our memorial. So let's take a look. So I'm gonna go to a nice, fancy Russian hamburger place. So in Moscow, you can get a beer at the Burger King. See how this burger looks. So they don't have trays because of the coronavirus. So we just, which makes no sense because now you just eat on the table without a tray. So tonight we're going to cook the Whopper, I think. We'll see if we can replicate this at home. Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed our trip to Red Square to see St. Basil's, to see the toy store, to see that memorial from 1941 to 1945. And beautiful parks, flowers. It's a must-see. St. Basil is about 20 bucks to do the tour. It's like 9 churches circled around one. I think it represents a Trinity or Trinity Church, something like that. Google it. You know. Anyways, though, it's pretty amazing. I got some amazing pictures. I had a great time. And I was going to go to a diner, but I figured everyone has ate Burger King, right? We all tried the Whopper, so we might as well make the double Whopper today. The double Whopper cheese, so let's get started. Here we need 1 lettuce, 1 tomato, 1 pickle, 1 onion, and don't chop the bread. Now what you can do is slice 4 thin slices of onion, okay? Because the Whopper, I guess you need 4 small thinly sliced onion rings. 4 slices of pickle, 2 slices of tomato, and shred the lettuce into thin pieces. Now we're going to make the meat patties. What I'm going to do is try to make it as thin as possible. And try to ensure the meat is about 1 inch wider than the bread you're using, okay? Because the meat's going to shrink. And I'm using this bowl to make the perfect circle. You got to use what you got, right? Look at that. Perfect circle. We're going to make 2 of them. FYI. We're going to toast the buns in the oven for maybe 1 minute. Now get the pan really hot and we're going to cook the meat. This is an iron skillet, so it's kind of going to give it, I say, a little smoky flavor, but if you don't have an iron skillet, a pan will work, but an iron skillet works best. You're going to cook both sides for about 2 minutes on each side. Then you're going to place in the oven at 200 degrees and place the cheese. The oven's going to cook the meat a little bit more and melt that cheese perfectly on that meat. Look at that. That took about 2-3 minutes. And it smells amazing. And I can't wait to eat it because I'm really hungry. You see that? It's dripping right off the pan. Now you see the bread, the bottom and the top. We're going to start with the top first. And what we're going to do is we're going to spread mayo on the top of the bun generously. You can use 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayo. You can use more if you love mayo, but 3 to 4 tablespoons is perfect. Now we're going to place the lettuce generously. So just make sure it's well covered in lettuce. I like a lot of lettuce. Next, we're going to place 2 tomatoes. Perfect. Next, we're going to place the meat patty and the cheesy meat patty. Next, the 4 pickles. Four slices of onion. Just 4 little onion rings. That's perfect. And I like ketchup, so I'm going to do about 3 or 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Now here comes the hard part. We're going to put the top on the bottom. There we go. We're about to place it. Perfect. Too easy, right? If you're going to make a Whopper, you might as well make it a double Whopper. Are you guys ready? Wow, it's amazing. Wow, that was good, right? It's delicious. It tastes just like the Whopper, to be honest. You know? What do you think, Mr. Poop? Exactly. Anyways, next weekend we'll go on another adventure, or maybe I think we'll go to a steakhouse, or I think maybe there's a Thai restaurant. We'll make some spring rolls. So we'll see. Steak or spring rolls, we'll try to replicate. And you guys have a great night. Me and Mr. Poop, we're going to go for a little walk on the beach, you know. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, and have a great night.